Hey, what's up guys, this is Chef Nadeem here. You are watching my channel Cooking with Nadeem. Once again I'm here with new recipe. So today I'm gonna show you a very special thing. Everybody is like this, is really very healthy and very good for everyone. Very good for, special for diabetic patient. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is really very healthy. Everybody like it and everybody can use and then everybody can make at home. Very easy, very simple, with simple ingredient. It's really very easy. So please, you must try this one for your parents, for your children, for yourself also, because it's very healthy for everyone. So let me show you what ingredient we will be used for this recipe. Come, let's I show you. For aloe vera juice, here I have some aloe veras. You can see it's really very clean. I wash already everything properly. So now here I got some ice cube I will be used for this recipe. Some ice cube, and then here I got the honey. Honey I will be used for this recipe. No need to put sugar, just put the honey. And then some lime juice. I'll use the lime juice also. So let's start. So first of all we have to take out the pulp from aloe vera. So now we have to, please be careful, this one is we have to very careful take out the aloe vera gel from inside the aloe vera. So now we have to cut the side, cut this side first. You can see it's cut ready, and then the both sides we have to cut is the thin one like this. After that we have the smooth one, so we have to get the gel from inside. So now we have to cut the upper part, the skin, the green color, all we have to take out. You can see guys, it's really very easy, you can do at your home. So after that, if we have some small pieces like this, so we have to cut like this, because we have to take out all the green part from here. So it's done ready. You can see it's really got nice gel we have. And then we need to take out with the spoon. You can see here I've used the spoon for take out this gel, aloe vera gel. So now we have to, because don't use the green color part, we have to white color gel only from inside. This actually aloe vera is very good for your skin, for your health, for your hair. It's really very good for all the things. It's very easy also when you, because aloe vera gel we cannot eat like this. If we drink the juice, easier can drink the juice, can put some honey and some ice, very easy to make at home. Can put some lime juice for make the flavor. So now I have to cut one more. So guys, you can see here I got the aloe vera gel already from the aloe vera. So now I have to blend it. So just put in the blender first. So I have the blender here, aloe vera gel I just put in the blender. And then put the honey. I put the, because aloe vera gel here I got is 120 grams, so I use the honey is about 2 tablespoons. And then lime juice also I put 1 tablespoon. And here I got some ice cube. I will put some ice. and add some water also, a bit of water for blending. So now I have to blend it. So guys, here you can see my aloe vera juice is ready. It's really very healthy, very good for health. I want to check the flavor first. It's really very mouth-watering. Flavor-wise also we can feel the honey flavor, aloe vera gel flavor is really very nice. Very good taste. Please guys, you must try this at home for your family, for your children. It's really very easy to make at home like that, because this one I show you all the recipes, very healthy one, so you can use for your family. Juices, everything I show you. Last video I show you some juices also with my children, so it's really very easy to make at home. Your children can make also easier. Just only you take out the skin, and then get the gel from inside the aloe vera. Is very easy, I show you already. So you just follow all the instruction, everything is really very easy. So guys, please take care yourself. So we'll see you in the next video. So please take care. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, comments also, and like my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.